Alright guys, welcome back to this learning module. Now let's begin our first topic of the day. We are going to talk about how do we create dashboard objects in Power BI. Today we're going to cover how to create a slicer, card, and also a pie object. Alright, now what is a slicer? A slicer is a visualization element used to filter data within a dashboard. This allows users to interactively select values from a specific field, which is to allow users to filter the data of the selected values. Okay. First of all, once we have entered the Power BI report designer, go to the visualization panel and select on slicer. You will notice there is an object will be created in the report view, and what we're going to do next is we are going to go to the fields panel to select on the required dimensions. Alright, now let's move on to the second object, which is the card object. Now a card object is used to display a single value or a calculated measure. This is very commonly used when we are creating a KPI object, which is used to show the grand total of our company or organization key performance. All right. This is basically to show a summary value of how our business is performing, whether it is an uptrend when comparing year on year, month on month, so on and so forth, right? So first of all, to create a card object, go to the visualization panel and select card object, and you will notice an object will be created in the report view. All right. Next, we will go to the fields panel to select on the measurement that we want to add into the card object. All right. Now let's move on to the last object, which is the donut chart object. All right. So a donut chart is used to display data with multiple values of dimension within the selected measure. Donut charts are effective to showcase the composition of the general picture and also the relative proportions of different categories within our business. All right. So a donut chart would normally comprise of a dimension and also the value to be measured within the dimension itself. All right. So the steps are pretty similar compared to how to create a slicer or a card object, just that a donut chart would require a dimension and also a measure to be selected when we are creating the donut chart. Okay, so yeah, basically this covers the introduction on how to create dashboard objects in Power BI. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the demo section. Thanks and bye bye.